Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to record a video in slow motion using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone and an object we wish to record, so we can now bring the iPhone and the object into the frame. We have the iPhone on screen, unlock the iPhone, bring in the object we wish to record. We have the glass. Go to your iPhone, go to camera, go to video, go to slow-mo, turn on the flash if required to. Now we have that on. Record the video, 1, 2, 3. Done. Go back to your iPhone homepage, photos, camera roll, play the video. And now we can see the video in slow motion. Stop the video, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.